Hello everybody and welcome back to our All About App series. Today we've got something special for you. Let's start. How much does it cost to create an app like a Periscope? Probably many of us have thought about Mark Zuckerberg's investment into Facebook development. Unfortunately, he was very busy and couldn't give us an interview. But don't worry, we've conducted our own investigation in order to find out the development cost of another popular social network. It's called Periscope. Periscope is a video streaming app. The main idea of this application is observing events which are happening around the world with the help of another user. Let's try to calculate the amount of money needed for similar app development. For further estimation, we should deepen into the functionality of this app. So, how does the Periscope work? Actually, we can divide Periscope's functionality into few parts. The main feature of Periscope is live video streaming. In other words, you can see someone's live broadcast which is being recorded with the help of a smartphone's camera. For obtaining this function, developers had to use a wide range of technologies. RTSP, UDP, TCP… No, that's not words from the sci-fi movies. These are acronyms of protocols needed to be used in order to implement video streaming feature. By the way, that's not even a half of them. This is not the end of functionality connected with the live streaming. After the stream is over, you can leave the recording of it on your account and choose a time during it will be available for other users. In turn, users can watch a recording of the stream or even rewind it. So, implementation of this part demands at least 60 hours of developers' work. The average salary of developer in our region is $50 per hour. If you multiply these two numbers, you will get an approximate amount in $3,000. Also, Periscope got such well-known feature as Geolocation. However, it's used in a really creative way there. Users can see circles on a global map. Each circle shows the status of someone's stream. If it's over, the circle is blue. If it's live, red. The way users have an opportunity to keep track of the country they are interested in, or just explore new things and places. As usual, integration and settings of geolocation into your app demands certain time and efforts. You should also remember that iOS and Android differ in coding. We estimate this function in 32 working hours. If you multiply this number by 5, you'll get an amount in $1,600. It's hard to find an app without registration function. There are several types of registration: via email, phone number, social network. Social networks usually have a variety of registration methods. If we are talking about exactly Periscope, it has two models of registration: via phone number and Twitter. We estimate this feature in 48 working hours. In other words, it's $2,400. Push notifications became an integrative part of interaction with any app. They're especially useful in socially aimed ones. Nobody wants to miss the new message or new stream. As it was already mentioned, there is a difference in coding for Android and iOS. Android is using Google Cloud Messaging Service, while iOS is using Apple Push Notification Service. This part will take approximately 40 hours, which means $2,000. There are many other minor socially aimed components. In Periscope, users have an opportunity to leave comments in real time on someone's stream. Also, they can put hearts during the translation, and streamer will see it. Finally, there is a subscription model. After the user has subscribed to someone's channel, he would get notification at the beginning of translation, and the record of it would appear in his feed. All these functions will take 24 hours or $1,200. One more thing, the success of your app directly depends on its design and quality. We estimate the design process in 66 hours. Also, the QA and testing will take roughly 60 hours. It means $6,250. We've got 330 working hours and $16,500. Nevertheless, I should remind you that these numbers are approximate. Everything depends on your personal preferences and many other factors. It seems that is all for today. You can read the full article on our blog. Don't forget to subscribe and always follow the right road. Goodbye and see you soon!